reliable, powerful, but cheap. Yes, friends, welcome to my channel Galaxy Station. Today I will unbox a Bluetooth speaker from the renowned brand Motorola, which is very powerful, small, portable, yet very cheap. The model number of this Motorola Bluetooth speaker is Sonic Boost 210. This is a smart, portable, wireless speaker with rich sound quality and up to 4 hours of playtime. This is Amazon Alexa enabled. This is the retail box, which is perfectly packaged. It's have speakerphone. It works with Amazon Alexa, Apple Siri, and Google Assistant. Hand strap also included, and it supports Bluetooth version 4.2. Okay, let's unbox it. Lots of documentation. Motorola Sonic Boost 210, model number SP008. Okay, this is the complete guide. LED indicator information, charging information. Okay, I am just ignoring this. Then it has a charging cable and hand strap. Hand strap quality is good. Unfortunately, this is micro USB charging. That's understandable because the price of this Motorola Sonic Boost 210 is only around $15. Okay, this is it. It's very lightweight. Very lightweight. Okay, micro USB in, audio 3.5 millimeter in, and the controller. Now, what about its sound quality? How to pair it? To pair the speaker with your device, you need to press this button for 5 seconds. Yes, it is in pairing mode. Bluetooth scanning is going on. Sonic Boost 210. Pairing.
Device connected.
Okay, device connected. What about, okay. I'm going to YouTube to play some music. I can also control the music. I can also control the music from here. गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया संभाल मुझको ओ मेरे यारो. Now I am turning off the Bluetooth and
Device not connected.
playing the music with my phone.
device connected.
I am also feeling bass.
दिल में मेरे ख्वाब तेरे तस्वीर जैसे हो दीवार पे
Sound is clear and I can also feel the bass vibration. I think this is a wonderful option in $15 price category. If you have this kind of budget, then I can easily recommend you this Bluetooth speaker. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.